CoolFit 4.0 is the revolutionary piping system for commercial and industrial refrigeration from GF Piping Systems. In these instructions, we guide you step by step through the stripping and peeling. Before the installation, make sure that you have all the necessary equipment, tools and resources close at hand. The ends of the CoolFit 4.0 pipes are already stripped and peeled on delivery. If a pipe has to be shortened, separate it at right angles. Clean the cutting surface roughly with a cloth and deburr the inner pipe on the inner diameter and the casing on the outer diameter. Select the appropriate clamping jaws according to the pipe dimension and mount them on the spindle. Pay attention to the different jaws depending on the position on the spindle. Afterwards, insert the spindle into the inner pipe up to the stop and tighten it clockwise by hand. Now adjust the circular blade holder of the peeling unit according to the pipe dimension. Select the appropriate peeling blade according to the pipe dimension. Mount it on the peeling unit and tighten it with the Allen wrench. Move the peeling unit clockwise on the spindle up to the stop. At the same time, the insulation is detached and the oxide layer of the inner pipe peeled. Now unlock the locking bolt by pulling and turning at 90 degrees. Press the circular blade holder onto the pipe and adjust it on the lever with 1 to 2 clockwise rotations. Now turn the peeling unit once clockwise and adjust the feed lever by a quarter turn. Repeat the procedure until the axis of the circular blade is at the height of the outer casing. Now remove the circular blade holder. Fix the locking bolt by turning at 90 degrees. Afterwards, turn the peeling unit back anti-clockwise on the spindle until the blade is outside the inner pipe. Loosen the spindle by turning anti-clockwise and remove it from the pipe. Use the CoolFit saw for dimensions above D110. Insert the saw into the gap. Detach the foam by seesawing movements over the entire pipe circumference up to the media pipe. This method guarantees that you will detach the foam completely and at right angles. Now remove the foam element and check the inner pipe for even, complete peeling and shaving thickness. It must be between 0.2 and 0.4 millimeters. GF Piping Systems supports you in all phases of your project. Talk with our experts at any time if needed. Further information can be found at gfps.com/coolfit.